Guys, what's the word? Welcome back. Today we have a chest, tricep, and I'm gonna end off with some calves. Stay tuned for that. But first, let me tell you something about my life right now. So you guys know I have a newborn at home. She turned a month today. Clap it up for her, and clap it up for her parents for keeping her alive through this month. I know whoever had babies just now are overwhelmed with joy, but I know it's hard. Getting up early, getting up all hours of the night, still having to work, and still trying to be there for your partner, right? Just support her mentally. So it could be hard. So I have not been working out as much as I want to, and I have not been meal prepping. The other day, I had orange juice and a brownie. I'm not gonna lie, for breakfast. Oh wait, I can't get stuck in this pattern right here. No matter how hard life is, you still gotta try to do what you gotta do, if that makes sense. You still gotta work out, you still gotta pray, you still gotta meditate, because at the end of the day, if you're not right mentally or physically, you can't be there for your family, you can't be there for your partner, you can't be there for nobody. So make sure you put yourself first too. Make sure you get your workouts in. Make sure you meditate, whatever it is to keep you right for your family. So this journey that I'm on right now is gonna be called Finding My Fit, because I have no particular goal. In my other videos, I talk about bulking, I talk about cutting weight, I talk about meal prepping. But right now, my goal is just to get in the gym at least 4 or 5 times a week. And I'm not gonna have a specific schedule, so I'm not gonna be working out, oh, I gotta work out Monday, or I gotta work out Tuesday, or I gotta work out Wednesday and rest Thursday. No, I'm gonna just go. I'm gonna try to go 2 days out the week, rest 1 day, then go again the next day. But life brings other challenges. And I feel like if you plan to get to the gym on a Monday specifically or Tuesday specifically, if you have kids or even just life stuff, you're overbooked or your child has to go to the doctor, you feel me? It'll probably throw your schedule off a little bit. So that's why I'm doing it this way. I'm gonna try to go 2 days on, 1 day off, and then be more flexible with myself. But guys, that's me right now, trying to keep a newborn alive so she can see 90 years old. Message to my new parents. I know it's hard, but y'all doing a great job. And I feel like parents today have way more information. That could be a good thing or bad thing, but I feel like we're doing good as parents right now. As the new parents, you feel what I'm saying? We learn from our parents' mistakes, the good things they did, the bad things that we didn't really agree with. You feel me? And we applying it to our kids. And y'all doing a great job. Don't overwhelm your mothers. Don't overwhelm yourself. New fathers, don't overwhelm yourself. You feel me? Like I said before, you have to be mentally right to be able to take care of a child. So put yourself first. Do the things you want to do too. Of course, it's going to be harder, but you could do it. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go to TJ Maxx and I'm going to get some sweatpants, because the sweatpants I got on right now, they tight as hell. I don't think I could work out in them. That's how you gained a couple pounds. Not a couple, 10. So I gained a couple pounds. I gained likely 10 pounds. And I was supposed to be gaining weight for a bulk, but I know for sure I didn't add no muscle because I haven't been working out like that. And I've been eating brownies and orange juice for breakfast, and I'll have a beer every night now. But you gotta catch yourself when you slipping. I'ma still have the beer at night till probably the end of November, then I'm gonna cut that off. But right now I'm enjoying it. But you gotta catch yourself when you tripping. Why am I having a brownie and orange juice for breakfast? I'm a eggs, blueberries, a yogurt type of guy, but I've been losing it. But I'm gonna get back to it. I'm not really digging eggs right now, so I'm gonna try to find another protein source in the morning. I'm turning into one of those guys that don't want to eat breakfast. I never wanted to be that guy. I love breakfast. I don't know what's going on. My lunch been pretty good because I have been meal prepping. I'm just not eating my meals. So I'm wasting money and I'm not eating the meals that I'm supposed to eat. So at lunchtime, I always take my meal prep with me and I eat it at work. So that's probably the best meal I have during the day. And then after that, it's just BS. I'm being transparent with y'all. I know whatever fitness influencer you follow, got his diet down packed. He fasts for 24 hours. He don't drink no water. He don't take no supplements, and he's ripped. So y'all gonna follow him. But I'm trying to be real with y'all. You feel me? Things happen, but you gotta shake it, and that's what I'm trying to do. This is the new journey. Guys, stay tuned. Meet me at the gym. All right, guys. I have an incline dumbbell bench press. It's probably my favorite exercise for the chest is the low incline. I feel like that hits my chest the most, right? So I'm gonna try to do 5 to 10 reps. If I could do more than 10, that's good. If I can only do 8, I'm not stressing. So I got 12 there. That was good. Shoulder a little still a little fucked up, but we're not complaining. You made it come twice. I got one more set on this machine fly. I really like this machine because I don't have to use the dumbbells. I feel like my form is a little bit shaky when I do dumbbell chest flies. So if you don't got this machine in the gym, you could definitely do dumbbell chest flies. But my form on the dumbbell chest fly is shaky. I really don't feel it in my chest. I feel more my elbows. But this machine right here, it gets me straight in precision. So I could go for reps and I could feel the pump in my chest. All right, let's go. I'm gonna do 20. When I go down, I'm sticking my chest out. Come up, squeeze. All right, let's get into it. First set, I'm gonna try to go to like 20. Just trying to get the pump in my calves. Okay, I'm about to die. What the fuck?
Hi. Hi. I don't warm this up.
Hey, baby. Say welcome to my YouTube channel.
Okay, maybe I just take the